Hello everyone, Kazmak here. I've been a long time Medivia player and over the past month I developed a personal project, a hunting analyzer tool. This is actually the first video I ever recorded, so please excuse any small mistakes or hiccups in the presentation. I'll walk you through how the tool works, some of the technical challenges, and explain why I can't distribute it due to the game's rules. So why did I build this tool? As someone who's played Medivia for years, I've always found it tedious to calculate my hunting profits, track experience gains, and figure out my net balance. Most players, myself included, rely on spreadsheets, how guesses, or third-party tools like Dreamloot to keep track of everything. While tools like Dreamloot are helpful, I wanted something more personalized and automated. A tool that tracks in real time which items I pick up, how much experience I earn per hour, and the total cost of my supplies. By the end of a hunt, it provides a detailed summary, no manual math or extra step required. I developed this tool using a combination of C++, Go, and JavaScript. The Waves framework powers the desktop app, with Go handling backend logic and React for the user interface. Here's how it all comes together. Injecting a DLL in the game handler loop, using inter-process communication between the DLL and the Go backend. So every time the game handler loops, the inject DLL signals Go backend that then updates the data and send it right through the React frontend part. Now let's see the tool in action. I'll start a hunt in Medivia and you see the data flow from the DLL to the Go backend, updating the UI in real time. One thing to note, the application runs always on top, so you see the game window and the tool side by side, giving the impression it is a in-game feature. I designed the interface to look very similar to the Medivia's own UI, so it blends nicely with the game's style. Yeah, so you can see here we have the interface. Wait a bit. Okay. So here we have Hunt Analyzer, Loot Analyzer, Supply Analyzer. I open all them. Let's start the hunt. As you can see, it also works with the gold pouch. So if you get the gold by clicking on it, it also counts here. As you can see, it is updating the supplies and loot I got. I will get those arrows just for test purpose. As you can see, it's here. Let's try to loot some valuable loots. I think it will be possible. Oh, insane waste. It also display the gold per hour and supply per hour. I mean loot and supply per hour. Oh, got a new level. Oh, nice, a lot of loot. Okay. Oh, nice profit, 6k. Now another thing I want to show off is that user is able to edit item price. Let's say for some reason you buy explosions for 200 gold piece, you can update here. It will also update the UI in real time, the price of the explosion you waste. So let's put it back to the real value. All this is persisted in a SQL database, so user don't lose these values between the sessions. Yeah, I'll just give a leap here. those creatures have a very good loot. Look the amount of gold pieces I already dropped. Okay. Profit. There's also a chart here where you can see the gold per hour. You're doing indeterminate time. Another valid thing to mention is that you need to have, Pendulum is a hotkey server, so to the Medivialyzer account correctly the amount of supplies or item, the supplies you are using, all your supplies backpacks should be open, so it will be able to read the containers and determine if a supply is being used or not. I was planning to do some supply analyzer based on this message here, like using one of X amount of runs, but since I will talk more about later, the tool was not like approved, or approved is not the word, is not allowed by the Medivia staff. I will not keep working on it. I'm just showing off. Okay, got a staff. Let me see the price of it. 5k. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, that was the presentation of the application. As you can see, every item picked up is recorded and every supply used is also tracked. My experience per hour also updates instantly. This is all handled by the DOL running inside the render loop, which prompts the Go application that also updates the React UI. Despite how useful this tool is, Medivia staff stated that reading or modifying the game client memory violates their rules. They warned that using or sharing such a tool could lead to bans. Because I respect their decision and don't want to risk anyone's account, I won't be distributing it. It will remain a private project. Here's the Medivia staff answer. And probably the rule they are talking about is that one. So that's my hunting analyzer. It demonstrates reverse engineering, DL injection, and inter-process communication setup that lets me pull data in real time and present it through Wales. Although I can't share it, I hope Medivia's team might one day allow something similar or implement their own version. In the meantime, this remains a personal portfolio piece that shows my skills in reverse engineering and integrated development across C++, Go, and JavaScript. Thank you for watching, especially since this is my very first video, so I appreciate your patience with any hood edges. I'm really proud of what I was able to create, and I hope this video gave you insight into the thought process and effort behind building tools like this.